Alright guys, check this out. Good guy Adam to the rescue. I don't know why. There was a guy in the passenger seat. It's not even that dark, but I'm still gonna flash my lights. Let's see if he turns their lights on. Let's see, good guy Adam. Yes! Success! Woo! Alright. I just felt like recording that. I don't know, I always feel good when it's nighttime because I saw the guy in my rearview mirror and I barely saw him, and he didn't have his lights on. So good guy Adam to the rescue. Oh god, there's a car to the left. Gotta take it easy. Oh, I don't know if there's someone in it, but yep, good guy Adam. Yeah. Also, if you see people with their lights, all you gotta do is flash your brights. They'll see it in their rearview mirror and they'll be like, oh dang, I don't have my lights on. And then you could possibly save someone, because if they don't see this car, they'll hit them. So in my mind, I could have saved this guy. Anyways, I will see you guys later.